Alright. Recording?
Oh. Yeah, oh.
Hey. Hey, you.
Oh.
Come.
It's like, no, I don't like this. Please change me in a different position.
Give Daddy a burp.
Daddy. Burp for Daddy.
Oh,
Burp,
there
big
she
one.
is.
Burp like mommy burps.
Oh, yeah. It's about to go.
Pre-burp.
I think she's going to.
Yeah, she is. She's having performance anxiety.
This isn't a camera.
Oh my God.
Are you smiling?
Oh, that was great.
Zelda.
Your mom's over there.
No burp for Dad
What
today?
you got on your head?
Oh, that's
the
from-
scab.
That's from when she was getting pushed out of Mommy.
Oh, really? Okay.
She got banged up against my hip bones.
Ouchie. Ouchie for you. Ouchie for mommy. Ouchie for baby.
I feel something moving in there.
Tell it to get out, Dad.
Zelda. She's making the weirdest faces.
She's smiling.
She's like, what's that? Oh, this is the funniest thing ever. Oh, you're not gonna burp for me, are you? No, that's a no look. I can tell.
Can you see the camera?
She's looking at the camera.
Are you looking at the camera? What is that thing? Get that thing out of my face. Unless it's a bottle, I don't know.
Oh, look at she's like.
Okay. I'll let you down, honey.
Oh.
He's home and he never got a job, so he's been doing some odd things around the church.
Okay.
Trying to keep busy.
Good night, Zelda. Good night.
So I don't want it. I want more boobies. Give me your finger, Daddy. Alright, want to fill me up one more time? No. Oh, tell me you got that right.
Yes, I did.
Awesome.
He's been trying to get a picture of her yawning for like ever.
Because you got the cutest little yawn. It looks like a laugh. Wow, Zelda.
You gotta push that when we get home.